At Pollonnaruwa, SMK Milling Engineering has established one of Sri Lanka's pioneering rice bran oil manufacturing facilities. Alongside production, the factory provides meals and accommodation for more than 250 staff and workers. This generates not only domestic wastewater, but also effluent with a high load of oil and grease, a challenge very different from typical sewage treatment. To meet this challenge, we designed and constructed a dedicated wastewater treatment plant with a capacity of 50 cubic meters per day. Unlike ordinary sewage plants, this facility is uniquely tailored to treat both domestic wastewater and the complex oily effluents from rice bran oil processing. The treatment journey begins with a grease trap that captures fats and oils at the very first stage. From there, wastewater is stabilized in an equalization tank before entering the core of the system, the Sequencing Batch Reactor, or SBR. This advanced biological treatment unit combines aeration, biological reaction, settling, and clarification within a single compact reactor. Importantly for this factory, the cycle timings and operational phases of the SBR have been carefully engineered to handle the unique challenges of rice oil wastewater. The SBR system offers many advantages. It is highly efficient even under fluctuating flows, produces minimal sludge, requires less space than conventional systems, and can be easily expanded in the future. Its ability to adapt cycle times ensures stable treatment performance despite varying loads of oil and grease. This flexibility makes it one of the most reliable and economical technologies for industrial wastewater in Sri Lanka. This plant is more than just a treatment facility. It represents a new step forward for the rice oil industry in Sri Lanka, showing how customized, cutting-edge technology can deliver both environmental protection and sustainable water management. At Central Environmental Testing and Consultancy Company, we are committed to providing industries with reliable, cost-effective, and innovative solutions for all environmental challenges. If your industry is facing wastewater, noise, dust, or emission concerns, contact us today. Together, we will design the best solution for you.